In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an unsubscribe link to your Klaviyo campaigns. This process is essential for maintaining a healthy email list and ensuring you're following best practices in email marketing. Not to worry, I'll be guiding you step by step, making it as straightforward as possible. To begin, you'll want to log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're in, look towards the left-hand corner of your dashboard. There, you'll find the Campaigns section, which is your first stop. Clicking on this will take you to a page displaying all of your current and past campaigns. Now, identify the specific campaign into which you'd like to incorporate the unsubscribe link. Once you've spotted it, hover over the campaign name and a small menu will appear next to it. This is where you want to be. Next up, click on the three small dots to the right of your chosen campaign's name. This reveals a drop-down menu. From here, select Edit Campaign. This will grant you access to the campaign editor, where the real customization begins. At the top corner of this editor, you'll notice another Edit option. Go ahead and click on it. This allows you to modify the content of your email campaign. Once you're in the editing space, focus on the block section. Drag a text block from this area and drop it into the desired spot in your email layout. Now, you'll need to enter a special piece of code into this text block. Type in the following exactly as it appears. Open curly bracket, %, space, unsubscribe, space, %, and close curly bracket. It looks like this, /% unsubscribe, %. This snippet of code will create a dynamic unsubscribe link when the email is sent, giving your recipients an easy way to manage their subscription preferences. After you've added the code, it's time to delve into the email's source code. You can do this by clicking on the Source button, typically found in the toolbar of your text editor in Klaviyo. Double-check to make sure your unsubscribed text is properly placed within the HTML structure of your email. Once everything looks good, you're ready to apply these changes. To do this, simply click on the Apply button, and your updates will be saved to the email draft. Finally, before you hit send on your campaign, you should definitely perform a preview and test. This step is crucial to ensure everything is functioning as intended. In the top navigation of the editor, you'll see the Preview and Test option. Click on this to see a rendered view of your email. Make sure the unsubscribe link is visible and appears where you want it. Send a test email to see how it renders in an inbox, and verify that the unsubscribe functionality is operational. And that concludes the tutorial. Following these steps will not only enhance the efficiency of your email marketing, but also ensure compliance with marketing standards. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more useful guides. Happy emailing!